Oh my guys, you alright? How you guys doing, man? What's up, bro? How you doing? Good. Yeah, folks, I just arrived from Guinea. I just arrived from Masanta. It was an amazing day. Guess what? I went to go get my gift, and then those guys too. They are from there. Yeah, they are just on their way from Guinea, and then this guy too, right there. He's on his way back. He carried me and he brought me. Awa, I like na. See, you know motor, huh? Na kaso. Yeah. So folks, good morning again. This is my beautiful gift, right? This is my gift, and this is my package, and this package contains a lot of stuff. So this package is so huge. It was so amazing that I got this package. You know, something that I cannot just believe that I could really get this package. So I'm going to open it. No, I was just giving like this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open it and see what exactly in this package, what contains this one here in this. So if you're just new here, one of the biggest support you can give is to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And big shout out to Titi, that's sweet Titi, that's Titi, sweet 16 Titi. Big up to you. And then thanks to Desha and Davy, thank you so much. Also thanks to the entire family that have been like, oh my god, this is unbelievable. And then thank you to mommy from I think if I'm right, I think she's from Iowa, something like that. I think she's from Iowa, but literally I'll ask the question and know the state she is from. So you know, I have a lot of packages, a lot of things, and you guys have really been, you know, supporting Brother Sharif, subscribing, liking my videos, and following me for more episodes. And then some days, if I'm like, I'm tired and I'm like home, and then people are like, what's happening to you? They want to know exactly what is happening. So I just came from Guinea. Yeah, right there. Right there. So literally I just came from Guinea, and then I'm heading home right now. So that's my community. So this is another road to go to my house. Yeah, this is another way to go to my house. So again, tomorrow again we'll be like doing some unboxing of those boxes, those barrels. You see, I'll unbox them, and then I will invite the people to come, because going out of town with it and then distributing require transportation, gas business, so to cut down costs. Yeah. Oh, Nake. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they are like everybody. The love from the children to Brother Sharif is so high. Okay, my God. Oh, okay. They are all rushing to shake my hand. Okay, okay, beautiful. All right, you go play now, yeah. Thank you guys, man. The love from the children is so high. Yeah, the love from them is so high. They are all, you know, literally. When they say Nake, it means my friend. In Madingo, it is Madingo. Nake, it means my friend. Nake means my friend. So I'm teaching you already. I'm teaching you, and you're also learning. Nake. So when they say Nake, it means my friend. Do you get that? So Nake means my friend. So I'm glad you understand that already. So now, I'm like, I gotta give freestyle. I don't know what is in here first. I'm gonna do the unboxing. The bike just brought me down and then go in the town. So I need to like give freestyle first and dance like this, and dance like this, and dance like this, and dance like this, and dance like this. So, and then my joy gonna spark. My joy gonna spark. My joy gonna spark. So just wait and see the end of this episode and see what the people in the diaspora doing for Brother Sharif. The family in the diaspora. You see, that's sweet Titi. SNT is forever. Big up to you. Long live SNT. Long live Desha and Davy. Thank you again. This is my home. I'm just approaching little by little. I come from the highway there. Yeah, I come from the road. So that's another road to come to my house. And then while the children fishing across there, they are all fishing. See, they use a fishing net to fish right in the lake there. Just check thoroughly, you see them there. You see, and then this is from Mom Christina A Day. She bought me this stuff and so many things. Mom Christiana a day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Though it's been a while, no communication, but you know, may the Lord guide you, may the Lord protect you. May the sky not be a limit. May you rise above the sky. Thank you again. Nice mom. Nice mom. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you for everything that you do. So you see, that's the people there across. They are fishing. So now let's go and then do the stuff. Let's go and do the thing, right? You know, when you go out and then coming back home, it's kind of amazing, right? Most especially, you got something that you've been wanting to get. That's what happened in this conference. The earthquake took place here and it got our building like this. Here I'm renting. Yeah, here I'm renting and it got our building like this. Crack. Oh my gosh. So now let's see. I'm gonna do the unboxing. Oh, little, yeah, hey. I can't. Yeah. Oh, what's up? It means my friend. You know, when they say Nake, it means my friend, right? Literally, it means my friend. So now, you know, I'm gonna sit right here and just do the unboxing. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here and do the unboxing. The reason I'm not going inside is because, you know, inside is dark, no light there. That will make the video and for you to see what I got. I really want to show you what I got, what they sent to me. But an applause to the person that did this. An applause to you. You see, thank you so much. May God bless us. May God bless each and every one of us, including you, Brother Sherry, the entire family. May God bless us. May we rise above the sky. May the sky not be our limit. Thank you so much. Here is my home. Here I'm living. This is Brother Sherry Ere. So now I'm going to like open this plastic and see what is inside here, right? I wish somebody was here to just hold the camera and then just film me. And literally I will see what is here. Okay, my guy, I'm happy that I see you. So your transportation now is what matters most.
Thank you.
Stand there. Okay. Stand there. Your copy. You can go down? Oh yeah. So your copy now. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy game? You get 8,000 can make it? Huh? Yeah. They may brought borrow for me. Yeah, and I gave all the money to get to him. So I just begging to hit the 8,000. No, hold this one. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, yeah? Thank you so much. Yeah. Banga. But I think Facebook or YouTube there. YouTube. Ah. Yeah, go on YouTube. Even right now, the one I'm doing so, I'll go on YouTube. I went Masanta. I just came from Masanta. So they sent me something, and then I'm celebrating it. Yeah.
What is celebrating?
Oh, they did good for me. Something I'm not expecting. Okay. Somebody blessed me. Yeah. Somebody blessed me. Even they bless people. This man brought it. The copy so I gave him. He brought some boxes.
Yeah.
You saw him?
Yeah, I saw him.
And I need to save your number. Yeah, because you guys on the road every day. So people will be like, oh, I got this for you. So it's like, I'll just call you and then just get it for me and bring it. Okay. Yeah. So just be the cameraman, right? Okay. Just film me right now. Just film me. So folks, I'm going to do the unboxing right now. So the unboxing, this is, so I'm going to like, you want to use the bag? So I'm going to like open. This is my big surprise, right? Oh my goodness.
Hey,
Oh my God. Ah, this is unbelievable, man. This is unbelievable. So I must get the freestyle first. Guess. I'm like, this is Adidas, man. This is Adidas. You see that? You see that, family? This is from New York. Unbelievable. This is from New York to Vonjama. Imagine this one again. This is power bank, man. Magnetic power bank. Magnetic. Just stick it to it and you're going to charge your phone. I haven't seen this one before. Imagine that I get this one. Magnetic power bank. And then I also got this one as my microphone. Oh my God. Be distant. I could be like distant. And then you get an echo. And you get an echo. This is oh my God. Thank you. This is from Iowa. Yes, this is from New York, and this is from Iowa. Family, the love from the US to Brother Sharif here is too huge. And then the boxes from New Jersey, different states. People show me love. So tell me, for God's sake, this is more than encouraging. This is more than encouragement. All right, thank you. All right, so folks, yeah, I just paid the picking that brought the stuff, the barrels, 8,000 roughly. The price in brought it for 8,000. So it's like from Dua Zone to Red Light, they charge 4,000 taxi, and then from Morovia to here, all the way to my house, the boy brought it. He charged me. He didn't charge me. He said the amount I will get. I know if to charge me, it could be more than that. So I talked to him for 8,000. So I just gave him 8,000, because if you go back to my previous video and you check it out, you'll see that I asked him to charge me. He said no, I can charge you because he is someone that he used to watch my bike. So even when I'm sleeping here, he'll be like, I want to use your bike. So I give my bike to him. At the time he was coming up, I was so nice to him. And now look at how life is like. Today, he is one of the best drivers on the road. So when I call him that I want so attend, I want this, he'll be like, okay, I'm bringing it to you. And then you will bring it as far as to my house here. You see, so this is how life is like. Today, life is good to you. Tomorrow, it might be good to the next man. You see, so it depends the way you raise your children, the way you pay attention to children, the way you love them, the way you show them love. In the future, no matter what, some will also show love to you. You see, life is always like that. So thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God. So I got, let me see, right? Just stay tuned. Let me see. New York t-shirt. I'm like, this is New York t-shirt, man. New York t-shirt. Oh my God. I'm gonna wear this one. I can wear this one right now. In fact, I'm gonna use this with my slinger, with my Adidas slinger. I'll be like, bluffy. I'll be like, when somebody asks me, I'll say, no, I'm from New York. Yeah, I'll be like, I'm from New York. So imagine that. So it's like this package got more stuff. Look at this. So look at that. What? Look at that. See what is written here? New York. The t-shirt is New York. How do you call this one? We call this one here Marvin Gaye, right? Just wear it. My greatness. Too much. This is too much for me. This is literally too much. It is. Oh, no. I'm going to use this one right now. Oh my God, my goodness. I'm going to use this one right now. How do I look? This look cute. This one look cute. This look cute. This is very, very cute. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, everything about me is just New York. Everything about me is New York. SNT is forever. SNT is forever. Wow. I'm not going to give this one right now. I'm going to start using this one right now. Right now. Okay. How do I look, folks? How do I look? Do I look great? So now, most importantly, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Thank you so much. Thank you. How many times? Too much. I am a soldier in the army. I am a soldier in the army. I am a soldier in the army. I am a soldier in the army of the Lord. If I will dance, let me dance in the army. If I will dance, let me dance. If I will sing, let me sing. You know, this is just unbelievable, man. This is absolutely unbelievable. This is absolutely unbelievable. You know, words can't just express how I feel, but literally I'm grateful. I'm grateful to Aries support. I'm grateful to you all. And then SNT is forever. Thank you again. Thank you. If you are just new here, one of the biggest support you can give to Brother Sherry is to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You know, this keep me going. This keep me going. It's like sometimes I don't stop. You see, though some people, it may look different to them because, you know, when they see you, they are like, oh my God, this guy is just walking, talking. You know, but the smile from you to the people worth everything. Tomorrow, we're going to do the unboxing of the barrels, call people to come and receive, and then I will invite everybody, those that need to get, those that need it the most, call them, they come, and then they get, right? I think that my idea will be good, because I was in here, I just arrived from Guinea, and then I'm going to use this one. I'm going to start using this one right now, and then just keep it up. So thank you again. See you in my next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and then welcome here. This is Brother Sherry home, and then right there is the mirror from Guinea. Goso, going Guinea. You Goso, you're going to Morovia, and they're going like them over there. They're passing. So again, thank you so much. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye.